Welcome, dear viewers, to our show, The Morning Show. Today we will have a debate about using iPads for education.
Today we have with us teachers, Guy and Kfir, moms, Noam and Shani, and students, Gili and Tavor, who will tell us about the use of iPads in schools.
First of all, it will make the students' lives easier. All their study material will be on their iPads, and they won't forget to bring books and notebooks to school. They will only need to bring their iPads.
Studies have shown that when students need to read from screen, it's more difficult to them to remember information.
Let's put that aside. The show must go on. Students, what do you think about that?
I think that the studying with iPad is unnecessary and hurt the school system.
I think the use of iPads for studying is very helpful and efficient.
Why do you think so?
It's hard to get used to the iPad if you don't use modern technology.
That's not true. It's very easy to learn how to use it, so it's not that bad.
What do you think about the subjects, moms?
I think studying with iPads is more interactive and interesting than regular studying.
I don't think iPads should be used for educational purposes. All the time spent on learning how to use iPads is time that could be spent for actual studying.
I think the use of iPads in the class is efficient and helpful because it's more enjoyable than regular studying.
Maybe for you, you're used to technology. Some people just aren't.
Let's get back to the teachers.
With the iPad, I have more ways to teach. For example, I can give my students assignments on the internet.
But you can't be 100% sure that all the students are doing their assignments and aren't doing other things like playing video games.
The iPads are good for the environment. They save paper usage.
According to a study from 2012, students that use paper to remember the study material better.
That is a fair argument. Do you think that the iPad can be used as a learning device in our everyday
I
life?
think that learning with iPad isn't efficient because notebooks and books don't need charging, so you can't forget to charge your books.
But the iPad has a long battery life that can last for several hours.
We are almost out of time. Shani and Noam, anything left to
I
add?
think people now understand my opinion very well. Thank you very much.
Same
We
here.
are out of time.
See you next time.
Welcome, dear viewers, to our show, The Morning Show. Today we will have a debate about the use of.
First of all, it will make the students' lives easier. All their study materials will be on their iPads, and they won't forget to bring their book. רגע, מההתחלה. First of all, it will make the students' lives easier. All the study material will be on their iPads, and they won't forget to bring books and notebooks to their. די. First of all, it will make the study material. לא, רגע, נשבע לך פעם אחרונה. רגע.
I think studying with iPads is more interesting than regular studying.
I don't think what am I saying?
With the iPads, I have more ways to teach. רגע, מההתחלה.
Very helpful and efficient.
It's more difficult to them to remember information. אני קיצרתי את הכל, יאללה!
מה?
זה טוב, זה כאילו הוא מביא את זה מהראש, זה טוב.
תמשיך, נחתוך את זה, to internet. זהו, לא,